I am going to explain about analog low pass filter design. So this is the most common general form of analog filter transfer function. Analog filter transfer function, which is given as h of s is equal to n of s by d of s, numerator by denominator, is equal to summation I is equal to 0 to m, the limits are 0 to m, ai s suffix I divided by 1 plus summation I is equal to 1 to n bi s suffix I. So this is the transfer function of analog filter. Okay, h of s is nothing but it's a Laplace transform of impulse response. So impulse response which is represented as h of t. So if you apply a Laplace transform for this, you are getting h of s. Okay, so next one is, what is the formula for Laplace transform of Laplace transform? H of s is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity h of t e power minus st into dt. So this is the general Laplace transform equation. Okay, so we have two different types of analog filters. One is Butterworth filter and second one is Chebyshev filters. Okay, so Butterworth analog filters and Chebyshev analog filters. So let us see Butterworth first filter, that is Butterworth filter. So now I am going to explain about analog low pass Butterworth filter. So here the magnitude of Butterworth low pass filter, which is represented as mod h of omega, equal to 1 by 1 plus omega by omega c whole power 2n whole of 1 by 2. Here n is order of the filter, and omega c is cutoff frequency. Omega c is the cutoff frequency. So let us see the frequency response of this Butterworth filter. Here the magnitude response, which is monotonically decreasing. The response is unity at omega is equal to 0. The response is a monotonically decreasing order. By considering the condition if omega is less than omega c. So omega c is what? It's a cutoff frequency. Cutoff frequency, this is 1 by root 2. The value of 1 by root 2 is what? 0.707. For omega less than omega c, mod h of omega value is unity, that is 1. For omega greater than omega c, this mod h of omega decreases monotonically. Omega is equal to omega c, the curve passes through the cutoff frequency 0.707. Okay, so this is the cutoff frequency omega c. These are the conditions, three different conditions for the frequency response of this figure. Okay, now by considering this equation as equation 1, by considering this equation, okay, so the normalized Butterworth filter at omega c, if you take omega c is equal to 1, then mod h of omega whole square So for considering equation 1, the square of the magnitude response at omega c is equal to 1, we can take h of mod h of omega whole square is equal to 1 by 1 plus whole square. So there is a root here. If you square it on both sides, the root get cancelled. 1 plus omega whole power 2n. Here omega c is equal to 1. Okay. Now considering this left hand side. Okay. So what is left hand side part? Mod h of omega whole square. So this is mod h of omega whole square. So then ela raskunna mod thesis h of omega square. So this in place of omega, so you have to take it as minus s. Okay. is equal to h of minus s square. So ఈ minus s square ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు, h of s into h of minus s. So that is nothing but h of minus s square. Okay, so this is the left hand side path. So ఇప్పుడు left hand side path వచ్చి ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి ఈక్వేషన్ 1లో. సో ఈక్వేషన్ 1లో mod h of omega whole square ఉంది కదా, దాన్ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసిన వాల్యూ ఏంటి, h of s into h of minus s. Okay, is equal to, let omega is equal to s by j consider చేసుకోండి, s by j. Substitute in place of omega, substitute s by j whole power 2n. Okay, so what is the value of 1 by j? 1 by j value is what? Minus 1. Okay, so that is minus 1 square whole power n. This equation as equation 3. Okay, so now equating this denominator equation to 0. Okay, now I am equating this equation to 0. For example, n is odd. For example, if you consider n is equal to 1, so s power 2n minus s power 2n is equal to minus 1. 1 get cancelled, s power 2n is equal to 1. So 1 is nothing but e power j 2 pi k. Okay, now s suffix k. So if you find the number of poles, s suffix k is equal to e power j 2 pi k by n. Here k is nothing but values 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n. Okay, up to n values. Okay, so in the same way, if n is even, so equation 3, so this is the equation 3 reduces to, so this is equation 4 and here is equation, you have to take it as equation 4. Okay, so ఈ equation లో ఇప్పుడు n even values తీసుకోండి. Okay, even values తీసుకుంటే equation లో you are getting s power 2n is equal to minus 1. సో దాన్ని ఎలా రాసుకుంటామంటే e power minus j into k minus 1 into pi. Okay, so k values is nothing but 1, 2 and so on up to n. S suffix k is equal to, if you find out for k is equal to 1, k is equal to 2, for s of k is equal to suffix k is equal to e power j 2k minus 1 into pi by 2n. Okay, now we have to find out odd values for different values of k. Okay, so odd equation తీసుకుని k place లో different values substitute చేయండి. So you can get here some poles in a circle. Circle లో poles వస్తాయి. బటర్వర్త్ ఫిల్టర్ కి పోల్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి అంటే సర్కిల్ లో ఉంటాయి. అవి ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలని చూద్దాం. ఓకే.